Hello everyone, welcome back to Grad to Corporate. In today's video, we will discuss an exciting job opportunity from Red Hat for fresh graduate. Red Hat is hiring for the trainee of associate software engineer role, and this is a great opportunity for the candidate who want their career in the global open source technology company. So make sure you watch the video completely to understand the role, eligibility and the skills required. Red Hat is one of the world's leading companies in the open source software and enterprise technology. The company is known for its Red Hat Enterprise Linux platform and the cloud based technologies used by many global organizations. Working at a Global Hat also allows the engineers to contribute to the open source innovation and collaborate with the talented developers worldwide. Red Hat is hiring the fresh graduates for the trainee associate software engineer role. This is a full-time opportunity open to the candidate with a background in computer science, information technology, or the related field. The expected salary for this role can go up to 10 lakh per year depending on the candidate's skills and the interview performance. In this role, the candidate will work with the development teams to design, build, and maintain the software application. They will write the clean code, debug technical issues, and collaborate with the senior engineers to improve the product features. Employees will also participate in the code reviews and contribute to the Red Hat software development projects. Candidate applying for this role should have a strong programming fundamental. Knowledge of language such as Java, Python, or C++ is important. Understanding the data structure, Linux operating systems, and the version control tools like Git can also help the candidate perform the better in the selection process. The selection process usually begins with a resume shortlisting. Shortlisted candidate may also need to complete an online technical assessment. After that, there will be a technical interview followed by a HR interview to evaluate the communication skills and the roles fit. Joining the Red Hat offers many benefits for the fresh graduate. Employees get the opportunity to work on the open source technologies and collaborate with the experienced engineers. The company also provides a strong learning opportunities and the career growth within a global engineering environment. Before applying, remember to keep your resume updated, apply on time, prepare for aptitude and technical tests, research the company's culture and work and even their projects sometimes and follow all the instruction carefully. Always apply only to the official career portals. I have added the direct official link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Grad to Corporate for daily job updates. All the best for your applications. See you in the next video.